How to buy land in Jamaica in 2020. Hi and welcome to another one of my videos. I'm Wayne and I've been building my house in Jamaica for well over 4 years. People have been asking me a lot of questions about my experience with building my dream home in Jamaica, but the number one question I always get to this day is, how to go about purchasing land in Jamaica. Bear in mind, this is my experience and my journey. So make sure you do your own research and find a strategy that works best for you. And only use this video as a guide. When I first considered building my dream home in Jamaica, I had to secure a parcel of land. This was a very important concern of mine, as I'm sure it is for you. I'm going to give you a full breakdown of the process I went through to purchase the land I'm currently building my Jamaican dream home on. Please note that my situation might be a little different from yours because the land I'm building on was somewhat of an inheritance. It's a long story, so I'll leave that for another video, and while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to my channel to be notified when I release new videos. Thinking about purchasing land in Jamaica? Here's what you need to know. Buying land in Jamaica is not as hard as you think. In fact, there are several ways you can go about doing this. Some people go the route of capturing land to build on, but that's a big gamble, as the rightful owners can reclaim their land and order your removal. Some people acquire land inherited from family members, while other people exert great time and effort, looking high and low for that perfect spot. What is capturing land? To capture land basically means taking possession of or acquiring land illegally by squatting. These individuals will erect buildings on said land, without having rightful ownership or title to the land. Sometimes the Urban Development Commission (UDC) intervenes and petition the government for the parent title to the parcel of land inhabited by squatters. Subsequent to which the land would be subdivided and the settlers to be issued splinter titles. However, there are other times when these squatters end up losing the land to the rightful owner's reclamation. As such, this is not a practice I would recommend. The best way to go about acquiring your first parcel of land in Jamaica is to follow the steps I have outlined. First, check the local newspaper for any land for sale listings. Second, check with a trusted realtor, referred to you by someone you know and trust, or through a Google search, reading and scrutinizing their reviews. Third, drive around and see if any properties in the area you are interested in have land with for sale signs posted on them. Fourth, ask friends and family. Most of you have friends and/or family in Jamaica, so have them be on the lookout for parcels of land for sale. It's best to deal with people you know and trust when purchasing land in Jamaica. So you've found your dream parcel of land, now what? Once you find the ideal parcel and location of the land, here are some steps you need to follow to secure your purchase. Check to ensure there are no liens on the land. You can do this by visiting the National Land Agency and asking them to run a title search for the parcel of land in question. This should cost about $500 Jamaican dollars. Next, make several trips to the property at different times of the day so you have different perspectives of the area. This will allow you to meet your surrounding neighbors and get acquainted with activities that occur at different times of the day. Talk to people in the area about the property, ask questions, and hear what they have to say. This will give you insight into the perspective of people living in the area. Keep conversations simple. You are not speaking to the people about the property or land, just about the surrounding area, in general. Now you will want to start the process of contacting the owner or owners. Bear in mind the realtor's job is to sell the property, so you will need to do your own homework to make sure the title is free and clear of liens or ownership by people other than the stated owners or the government. This information can be found through a proper title search, similar to what's done in the United States. Getting your land surveyed. Once you have made a structured deal and agreed on a set price for the land, before handing over any funds, I would suggest that you have the boundaries to the parcel of land surveyed. Reminder, for your own safety and peace of mind, I strongly recommend you check and verify the parcel of land with the National Land Agency and get an attorney involved before any exchange of money. I had to make that 100% clear, because this is important and will keep you and your assets protected. Next, get the land surveyed by a reputable land surveyor. You will need to do your research and find the best company that suits your needs and budget. You will need the surveyor to identify and mark your land boundaries and also verify your land measurements. These measurements are needed because they tell you exactly where your land begins and ends. It will also show you who owns the parcels of land surrounding yours, basically, your neighbor's owned lands and boundaries. A surveyor will also mark out the roads leading to your property as well. So this is a very important part of the process. You will also get a surveyor's report, which you will need to take to the local parish council to be approved for your building permit, to start your construction. For the most part, that's pretty much all it takes to purchase your first parcel of land in Jamaica. Next, we are going to talk about getting your parcel of land ready to start building your dream home. But that's the topic we'll be discussing in the next video. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll drop the next video for you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you are notified when I drop new videos. This helps me gauge the type of content you guys want to see coming from me, and I do have a lot of helpful video ideas working on for this channel. Again, I'm Wayne and this has been my Jamaican Dream Home journey. If you have any questions, concerns, or input, please leave me a comment. I do read and answer them all. Thank you for watching, see you guys on the next video.